Welcome back to the Family Day Trippers YouTube channel. In this tips and tricks episode, we hope to help you navigate a busy day at Legoland Windsor. For our first tip, head to the back of the park, what is the newest area, Mythica, to ride Flight of the Sky Lion, the UK's first flying theatre. Whilst in the area, ride Fire and Ice Freefall Drop Towers, and of course Hydra's Challenge. If at this time Laser Raiders is a short queue, now would be a good time to ride, as queues can get very long and uncomfortable if it's hot. Talking of hot, if you're in need of a cooling off, a ride on Pirate Falls Treasure Quest should do the trick. Next, we suggest heading off to Knight's Kingdom and a ride on Legoland's brilliantly themed Dragon Coaster. Talking of coaster creds, if you're in need of one, why not get on Dragon's Apprentice whilst in the area? Down at that end of the park, you will also find the fun flat ride Merlin's Challenge, and just next door, back in Pirate Shores, you'll find the Jolly Rocket Pirate Ship. Moving around a little bit further, back in the land of the Vikings, you'll have the Spinning Spider. Continue heading back up the hill, where Viking River Splash tends to be quietest during the middle of the day, as a lot of people tend to ride this either first or last thing. We highly recommend taking at least one of the shows, but this can also be a fantastic time to get on more rides as they draw crowds away from the rides, with rides such as Ninjago and Destiny's Bounty. But for us, one of the most fun rides at the park has to be the Haunted House Monster Party, one of the Pacoma's madhouses. But a ride that always seems to have a queue is Coast Guard HQ, so our advice would be to consult the app and find when it's quietest for you, or do it first thing or last thing in the day. Another fabulous indoor attraction is the Deep Sea Adventure, an immersive interactive submarine ride through an aquarium. Other rides to consider during your day is Mia's Riding Disco Coaster, but is it really a coaster? Or maybe one of the more relaxed rides at the park, like the Legoland Express, Fairy Tale Brook, or even maybe the Sky Rider. Oh, and of course, don't forget the driving school for those who want to get their driving licence. But let's be honest, no trip to Legoland would be complete without a visit to Miniland. Of course, there's so much more at Legoland that we have not covered in this video, but we hope this goes some way to help you make the most of your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any helpful tips that you'd like to share on Legoland Windsor. But until next time, bye for now.